Click cell B21 if necessary. Then click Copy button on the clipboard group in the Home Page tab. The formula for calculating the 30% expense increase during Q1 is copied to the clipboard. Notice that the formula B12 times 1.3 is shown in the formula bar, and the moving border surrounds the active cell. Click cell C21 and then click Paste button from the clipboard. The formula from cell B21 is copied to cell C21, where the new results of 44,798.99 appears. Notice in the formula bar that the cell references have changed, so that the cell C12 is referenced in the formula. This formula contains a relative cell reference, which tells Excel to substitute new references within the copied formulas as necessary. This maintains the same relationship between the new cell containing a formula and the cell references within the formula. In this case, Excel adjusted the formula so that the cell C12, the cell reference 9 rows above C21, replaced cell B12, the cell reference 9 rows above 21. Drag now the fill handle from the cell C21 to E21. A formula similar to the one in the cell C21 now appears in the cells D21 and E21 after you use the fill handle to copy the cell contact. You can now use the Autofill option button to fill the cells with only specific elements of the copied cell if you wish. Now click cell F4 and then click AutoSum button in the editing group. A formula similar to the one previously learned now appears in the F4. Now click Enter on the formula bar. Now click Copy in the clipboard group and select range F5 to F6 and then click the Paste button. After you click the Paste button, the Paste option button appears, which you can use to paste only specific elements of the copied selection if you wish. The formula for calculating the total expenses for tours in Britain appears in the formula bar. You would like totals to appear in cells F7 to F12. The Fill button in the editing group can be used to copy the formula into the remaining cell. For example, select cells F6 to F11. Click the Fill button in the editing group and then click down. The formulas containing relative references are copied to each cell. Now save your work.